snow. Running and action.
You have tried to convince me that Parker has fallen down a crevasse to his doom. But I know that although he has fallen into a trap, he is, at this moment, very much alive.
You talk too much. You are completely overwrought. I insist you lie down and rest until this brainstorm is over.
I will certainly not lie down. Abominable Snowman, indeed. I suspected from the first there was some sort of plot behind this. Why else do you think I'm going to investigate?
May I suggest, to convince you beyond all doubt of my devotion to your welfare, that we fly over the crevasse where Parker met his untimely end?
No, we are not as stupid as you would suppose. And furthermore, I have called international rescue. Ready on their way.
So, you have tried to work with me? Very clever.
Keep your hands where they are. I have you covered.
Quite special.
Right.
Oh, you're back. Where's Parker?
I'm afraid, madam, I have some distressing news for you. When we were crossing a crevasse, your servant slipped. The rope holding us together snapped, and he plunged into the bowels of the earth.
Do go on.